and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you so dearly for always supporting us. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across this wonderful family or you are seeing my face for the first time, I still remain Agatha Progress, bringing it to you back to back. Remember, we react to all videos and all opinion is highly needed. So just sit back and watch this video and I will be right back.
Share. Nyanya mamihe zuru oke. Ka anyị merie ndị iro ndị na-amaghị Chukwu, jide ha zọgbuo ha ona. Ka anyị merie ndị iro ndị na-amaghị Chukwu, jide ha zọgbuo ha ona. Yeah, I was just watching I was just watching map. Now please, if you're calling me, I'm on live broadcast. Don't call me. You can call me on WhatsApp, on the other WhatsApp, not on Messenger. Thank you. I was just watching map, 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 bingo. Very big bingo, total bingo, flop, complete flop, that guy. Thank you for joining me, Are Takao, thank you. Yeah, my number, let me put my number, you can call me, let me see, how do I write it? Okay, let me see now. Biafra, my number is plus 39 35100333521. That's my number. That's the number you can call. Biafra, take my boots off when I die. Okay, we need to hit the ball rolling now. Quickly. Thank you, Muchineke. Thank you, lovers of freedom. Thank you, children of the land of the rising sun. Thank you so much. My name is Raphael Chiamaka Ajere. That's my name. I don't use fake name like some bingos. Metusela and one name Melchizedek. Fake name, fake people. Ndoshi. You know, I'm a straightforward person, and I go straight to the point. And I don't beat around the bush. You know, we are children of light, whiter than white and whiter than snow. Now, what is the title of this, my quick broadcast that is not going to last more than 10 minutes? And the title is, There is no second chance. No second chance for this current DOS. No second chance. There's no way anybody in his right mind can actually look at this current DOS and want to give them a second chance or want to give them a benefit of the doubt. It's not possible. It can't work. It doesn't play. Not even with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, our leader. He wouldn't do that. Why didn't we give Ucheme for a second chance? There's no second chance. And I want to make it categorically clear, and it is coming from me, Chiamaka Raphael, that Kanu is a common criminal. Kanu bụ ezigbote onye ori, gwana ya ọmụakwụ ada asọ mgbagbu eje ọgụ ọmụakwụ ya. Kanu bụ ezigbote onye ori, gwana ya ọmụakwụ ya, mụa bụrụ afụkwụ ya, ada asọ mgbagbu eje ọgụ. So, this current DOS, as they are constituted, and with all the charade they have displayed for the past 6 months, and somebody in his right mind will come and say, I am taking instruction from DOS. DOS is the leadership of this struggle. You must be sick in your head. Something is completely wrong with you. I have my beloved sister, Modukpe Oluwa Omotosho. That is my beloved Oduduwa sister. Thank you, Sister Modukpe. All hail Oduduwa. We are still solidly behind Sunday Igboho. We are solidly behind Sunday Igboho. And by the grace of Eledumare, Sunday Igboho must be free. You guys must stand firm. I have heard that it has been said that there shall be no election in Oduduwa land. You guys are not going to behave like this toothless bulldog that call themselves DOS, that cancelled the election and then later called for election. They are evil people. Thank you, my sister. I appreciate you. You are doing wonderfully well for Oduduwa, and the God of Oduduwa land will bless you. And everybody that stand on the side of truth, the God of the land will bless you. Yes. This current DOS, Chika Doziem, Chinasa Nwuru, Jonathan, and all those criminals out there, tell me one of them that is good, that I should single out, and then tell you that out of the whole DOS, this particular person is good. There's none, not even one. And that is why there is no second chance for them. How can you give people a second chance? The same set of people that are romancing with the politicians, the same set of people that agreed for a political solution, the same set of people that cancelled election, that said there shall be no election, and then called for election, the same set of people that are masquerading themselves, the same set of people that are sacking people that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu himself chose into IPOB, the same set of people that changed their accounts, don't change the account, that created a new account, a different account from the one that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu created, and then ask you not to obey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's command to support ESN through Umweri account, and they created their own account. The same set of people that have come out recently, despite listening to Kanu Takano telling everybody that he is the one commanding or directing the legal team, despite that, this same set of people waiting for them, the ignorant fools that thought that there's something good can ever come from them, were waiting for a live broadcast, and all they could get was a shocker that May Heroes Day have been cancelled. The May Heroes Day have been cancelled, and they are changing it to Independence Day. The same set of people. Now they are telling you that May, this is January, February, March, April, May, 5 months. They are cancelling what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu constituted, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still under DSS detention. So that is to say, these people have resolved within their mind that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not coming out anytime soon. He is not coming out, as far as they are concerned, until after May, and there is no hope for them that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will come out. And somebody in his right mind that drank his mother's breast will tell me that is a welcome idea, is a welcome development. I take orders from them. You are a madman. You are a madman. Let me tell you, there are so many of us that believe that we need to rebel against any authority, rebel against every powers that be, to make sure that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu comes out. Whatever it takes us, we will rebel. Whatever it takes, those of us that are standing on the gap for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, anything it takes us, we will do it. We will do it. We are ready to die in the line of duty to make sure that our leader is released and that Biafra is still on the table. Biafra referendum, Biafra restoration must be on the table, and we cannot negotiate with governors and politicians and elders of the land that have failed you. No way. How can you dare it? Monday sit at home. Somebody is calling me already. Let me take this call. Mad bastards everywhere. God will punish every one of you. Who is calling?
Hello, good afternoon, Brother Ralph.
Good afternoon. I am on a live program. Are you calling to contribute?
Yes. My name is Maz. My name is Maz in your happiness day too.
Good.
Okay. Man, my brother, I saw your chat when you were commenting on Achibi Mark Boy.
He's a madman. He has lost his mind.
I'm coming because these people, breeze has been blowing now. We are beginning to see them. Those people hiding.
Yes. Let me tell you what Achebe Paul is doing. Achebe Paul is trying to be sentimental, neither here nor there. He's playing along the gallery. You would think he is standing for truth. We are not telling people to stand for Simon Ekpa. We are telling people to stand for truth. Now, this guy will play along the gallery and play along the gallery, and then because he is running his channel, run your channel, make all the money you want to make on your Facebook channel or your YouTube channel. We don't bloody care. But stand for the people of Biafra and stand for truth. Yeah.
So I want to contribute. That's the question I want to ask now.
Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
That page.
Biafra Unite. Biafra Unite is a different brother. He's a wonderful guy. Somebody is sending a request to come in. I am going to bring her in. My sister Obi. Today my phone is on a straight mode, not like this. So make your phone like this. Wonder why? Let your phone be on this straight mode, and I'm bringing you in right now. So my brother Nekwa can hear you.
Okay, that page now we need to campaign. If it's not massive or he doesn't want to come and say man boy. If not that page, everybody should unfollow him. If it's the owner, if not the owner page, we need to call him to order. Not for man boy to useless that page.
No, Matt Boy, he is the owner of the page.
Okay, look at Sister Faith Ogala. Yesterday when he talking about this guy has been insulting constantly. Okay, what is your effect about this logo that now is coming out to say independent? He doesn't know the meaning of independence.
He's a madman.
He's the one to celebrate independence. The old members should go and celebrate it with them.
Yeah. He's a madman. Thank you for your contribution. Let me allow our sister to talk because I have only 7 minutes left. Thank you very much.
People are annoying.
Yes, don't worry. Please, I'm going to save your number. Let us talk next time. Thank you. Okay. Ada Biafra, please go ahead. I have just 7 minutes.
Good morning, Biafrans.
Thank you.
Good morning, lovers of freedom. When I hear some things, it make me cry. It make me wanna cry. So what do you guys expect? You guys want us to be waiting till next year, next upper year. That is their plan.
Ndara.
That is their plan. The plan of BOS and Kanunta is that our leader will be there till next year.
God will punish them.
That is their game plan. That is why they are changing everything and pushing it. Somebody is today telling you that it is in April they will do something. What are you giving us?
Even May.
No, let me just say April because what I heard was April.
No,
they were
April.
giving us.
April is for the
giving
cow
us-
meat. The cow meat
So-
is April. The independence in May.
Yes, cow meat. We've been campaigning for Biafran to stop eating cow.
Yes.
And these people are working with. I had good luck saying he's traveling to go and meet Eastern governors, Eastern legislators. Good luck, Jonathan should mind himself before we open his page for him.
Yes.
Before we will open his page, this DOS, I call them POS because that is what they want.
Exactly.
That is what they are. They
Yes.
are just machine
Yes.
for money. That
Yes.
is what they are.
Yes.
They
Yes.
are just for money. They don't even want our leader to be caught. They don't even say anything about our leaders coming to court.
Obi,
Did
they
you hear
didn't say
anything?
nothing. They didn't say anything like that. Our leader
Our
is
leader
coming
coming
to
to
court
court.
on the 18th. They didn't say anything about it.
I
Nothing.
didn't hear anything like that. That's why
Nothing.
I don't go to Radio Biafra no more.
Nothing.
I don't go there again.
Nothing.
That is where we worship. But they've destroyed it. They've joined the Fulani that destroy our land, destroy everything. I don't know how. I can't sleep because after listening to some of the cutouts people said to me, because I don't go to Radio Biafra no more. If I'm missing our leader, I can't cry. I can't cry enough. I'm praying that man will be alive. You guys should be praying because what they are doing to that man, they want to kill him. That's why they keep taking his blood 21 times. They keep taking the blood without telling him what the blood is for.
God of heaven will destroy all of them. They cannot kill him. They cannot kill him. They
I
will not
don't know
succeed.
what is wrong with our people. And people
will
are
not
not
succeed.
thinking smart. Somebody
not
is today giving you 4 months, 4 months agenda.
Yeah.
So you don't even plan, you don't
Yeah.
even pray, you don't even talk about his coming
No
to court.
sister,
What are we
nothing.
gonna do?
No,
What
no,
is your
no,
plan? You
no
don't even have
protest.
no plan.
No protest in Nigeria. No, God will punish them. God will punish them. Chineke ga-akpọ ha ọkụ. Chineke
What is
ga-akpọ ha ọkụ.
this now?
The
I
God of Mars
listened to
in
it.
the
I don't need about sitting there when the plan. So
Yes.
now why by April, by
Yes.
May, which means you
Ndara.
don't even want our leader to come out before that time.
Ndara.
Eh? What kind of human being are these people?
God will punish
Oh
them.
no, Bunda, I can't deny her. Oh no, I go China because I'm not feeling fine. That's why I don't even come. I'm just too upset. I don't know how to.
Don't worry, you are doing
myself.
well. You are doing well. God is with you. Nothing will happen to you. We need you. We need you in this struggle. We need you. We need you in this struggle. You have to be strong. You have to
I have COVID. I'm trying myself to come back normal. I can't breathe. I can't sleep well.
We need you. We need you.
And people are listening to that thing, and people will come under your comment and be commenting, command and control, command and die. Command and die. Command and die is telling you that you should not sit at home again, or they will arrest you. The same command and die is telling you to sit at home now.
Yeah.
They're not telling you about our leader coming to court, and you are commanding. You are commenting command and control. Is anything wrong with you guys?
Who is this one? See another fool. Say another bunch of fools have arrived. Give an advice, not social media noise. The thunder that will destroy you is still doing
Don't
press
answer him. Don't answer him. Before you answer this kind of people, go to their page. Anything that faceless.
You know,
they use our leader's picture. They will put it there. They will be. They are paid 500 naira to come and attack, so that they will distract you, so that they will distract you from your planned live broadcast.
Yes.
They will, if you go to their page, they don't even have common English on their name that they wrote by themselves. Or copy and paste. Copy and paste. They distract them. If was doing here, have you ever comment rubbish? Copy here. That's why I don't even answer them when I'm doing live broadcast. Take care. Biafrans, I love you all. Bye.
Thank you very much. Be strong. Don't think too much. Be strong. Take your medication.
I'm getting better.
We need you healthy. Nothing will happen to you. Okay.
Amen. Amen.
Okay,
Amen.
Thank you so much.
I love you all.
Love you so much.
Peace
Thank
out.
you. Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah. Brethren, I have to go now. Back to work. You know, any minute I'm at work now, and it's cold. It's below 0 degree here. Very cold. But I have to do this. We have to continue. Let me tell you, everyone that is behind this delay, that is bringing in this snail-like spirit into this our struggle, want to slow us down. Hey, Chineke Nonyebere, God of heaven, do you know how many people that have died? Ikonso died. Do you know? Do you know how many warriors have given their lives on the line of duty? Do you know how many? How many people that were just waving flag and they killed them? Do you know how many? 28 people died in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's house. Do you know how many? The Kanu Takanu, that idiotic element, is coming to tell us that Ojus Okalo is a family friend. You are a common criminal, and we cannot listen to you. We don't know you. We only know Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Chike Doziem, Chinas, and all of you. Thunder will fire every one of you. You see, you cannot stop us. We are already moving ahead. You understand? We are already moving ahead. And that sit at home must continue. And the rebellion, the rebellion is about to start. And when the main rebellion will start, let me tell you, Chike Doziem, Chinas, and Woru, you people are done for. You are done for, Ndara. You are all done for. And anybody that is sympathizing with you, playing hanky-panky with this game, with this our struggle, playing game with this our struggle, one by one, you will all perish. Every one of you will perish. Yeah? You think the people that died, they died in vain? You know, you think we are joking? I have to go back to work now. Fellow Biafrans, keep the fire on. Tell your people back home. Sit at home must continue. It must continue. Ekumeku, where are the Ekumekus? Where are they? Where are the VPG? Where are they? Where are our men on the ground? Where are they? They need to do something. It is time to do something. We need to arise now. Ekumeku and every of our rugged men on ground, rise up now. It is time to do things. It is time to do things. It is time to do things. These people want to eliminate us, they want to destroy us, and we are not going to fold our hands. What nonsense is that? We are now giving the order The order is being released right now. We are everything that you need. We are preparing everything. Putano no more. Can me haneme? Can hamana no name? Hakama no name na? And I need to go now. See you guys later. I love you so much.
Hey, God have mercy on your children. This thing is getting out of hand, honestly speaking. If I said there should be peace and unity, some people will then ask me and said, what did you mean by peace and unity? There is nothing like doing together. There is nothing like seeking for peace. Please, we need peace. We will still keep on calling on the leadership of IPOB to do the needful, to call everybody to order, so that people can cease fire and move on. In fact, people need to move on. That is just the plain truth. They just need to move on. People just need to move on. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. You've heard from our brother. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this channel. I really do appreciate it.